Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing 1-star rated Etsy slime shops. I'm really nervous for this review because I've never done this. I've never seen anyone do this on YouTube, so I was like, why not do it right now? So I chose one from Etsy, and they only have 1 star on their slime shop. I didn't read the reviews. I didn't do anything like that, so I'm really nervous to see what they sent me. I ordered, I think, 3 or 4 slimes from them, and the total came out to like $25 to $30. So I'm really nervous. So if you guys want to see another video like this, then go ahead and comment down below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. I'm really nervous, you guys. Well, I ordered from a shop on Etsy, and I usually order from people that have like 4 stars or 5 stars that are trustworthy, you know? So today I ordered from this shop named and I ordered slimes, I think it was like 2 to 3 weeks ago, and I just got them today, so I decided to film it today. And as you guys can see, it came in a shoebox. I'm not going to show this part because that's where it has my address. So I'm excited, but then at the same time, I wasted like $20 to $25 on this. And if it's not worth it, then I'm not going to put the name in the video. But yeah, so I ordered from them and I'm really excited. So yeah, let's get started in opening. Oh, so inside, when I open it, is there a note? I don't think there is no note. But yeah, this slime is from, and it looks like they give me a gift card. I don't know if it has money in it. I really don't know. Okay, there's a flower in here. Huh. This looks like a cloud slime. Okay, so there's this slime, and I think this is the Tropicana Hawaiian Punch. I also ordered a lemon meringue cloud slime. I don't know if that's it, but that's all there is in here. Oh wait, there's a scent. I think that's an extra. And there's, oh no, JK, I ordered the lemonade lime foam. So I think that's it. And an extra scent, I think. Anything else in here? What's this? There's a pen. Thank you for that. What else? Oh, I think that's it. I like the packaging. So they gave me this. I don't know if it has anything in it, but I'll call later and see if it does. And a pen, and scent, and a flower. None of these have labels on them. I thought they had labels. It had like a little pig on its profile. So I don't know if they've bought labels for their slimes. But oh look, that one's open. This one comes in a foil. Weak. It comes in foil, you guys. I don't even think I'm gonna say their name anymore. So this one, I think it's the full foam. Let's open it. I'm sorry there's glitter. I was making crafts. Wait, I want to check if there's hairs. No, I don't think there's hairs in this one. Just because it's a 1. I don't know why it's 1. I haven't read the reviews. But yeah. Sticky. Uh-oh. I think we're gonna... Ooh, that crunch though. I don't know what it smells like. It doesn't smell like lemon though. It smells sweet. So this one actually smells really good. It doesn't smell like what it's called. I remember it saying like lemon, lime, something like that. It smells sweet though. It needs a little bit of activator. Here, let me put some activator. They didn't include borax. What? So I have some pre-made activator here. So that's good. I like this slime. It's really good. It doesn't smell like what's its name out of, like lemon lime. It smells more like a sweet. Oops. Right there. So I honestly really like this slime. I would rate it a 9 out of 10 just because it doesn't smell like what it's supposed to smell, which is like a lemon lime type of, I don't know if it's fizz or pop. But yeah, I really like it. So the next one, I don't remember what it's called. I think it's Tropicana Hawaiian Punch. I think that's what it is. Oh my gosh. Hold up. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see that? Hold up. Where is it? It's right there. Hold up. There's a hair. Oh, wait. Is there more hair? There's black on there. I don't know. I'm just gonna take that hair off because I want to review this. So yeah, there's another hair. Let me take this piece off. That's really gross and disgusting. There's a lot of hairs. What the heck? Oh. I don't know if I should continue. What do I do? There's one hair right there. Oh my god. There's legit a hair right there. Hold up. Let me try to pick it. I don't know if you guys can. There it is. Do you see it? Ew. I'm not gonna review this. So I'm not gonna review this slime. That's that. So this next one is called, I don't even remember. Oh my god. There's legit a hair right in front of me. Can you guys see that? It's right there. You guys gotta wear hairnets when you guys make slime. If you're selling, if you're selling, you gotta wear like something to protect your hair from falling into the slime, you know? Is it just that hair? So I want to stay with it, but it's supposed to be a cloud slime. Here, let me just take it. Ew, it's slimy. Ew, it's slimy. It's legit slime. Did I take it? It's still in there. Ew. I think I took it off. That's really disgusting. But yeah, it's supposed to be a cloud slime. This is really residuey. Feels like it's been in his room for like 5 years. It's really residuey. Can I take it out at least? It doesn't look like it has more hair, so that's good. I don't know what to say. I can now tell why they had 1 star. I don't like it. 0 out of 0. Ew. Ew, so residuey. I don't want to touch it. Okay, so this was a waste of my money. I'm not even gonna mention who I bought this from just because I don't even want to give them promo. Just watch out, you guys. If you guys buy anything from a 1-star rated shop on Etsy, then you'll get your money's worth. So this one's the last one. It's the foil one. I don't even remember. Ew. Is this supposed to be a cloud slime? Oh god. Is there hairs? No, I don't think there's hairs. Okay. Hold up. I think it's clean, but it's so dry on top. Why is it so dry? At least they have a drizzle. A little bit of a drizzle. Okay, I think this one's probably the only one that's nice. Oh, and the lemon lime one. I like the lemon lime one too. But honestly, I don't know. It's really hard just because a lot of people sometimes get hair in their slimes, but at the same time, they had 2 hairs in their slime. They had more than 2 hairs in each slime. So, this is probably the only one that doesn't even have a hair. Let's see. No, there's none in here. It's good. But yeah, you guys have to stay careful with what you buy online because you can get scammed like I did. But yeah, overall, out of 10, I rate this shop probably not even a 1. I can now see why it's rated a 1 star. I don't know what to say. I've never reviewed a shop like this. But yeah. If you like this video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video with the more nice slime. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.